How do you find writing a book introduction? Do you know what goes in it? How long should it be? Do you ever ask, is anyone going to read it? Is it all anyone is ever gonna read it? Many authors take for granted the making of their introduction by just putting whatever they can think of and just mashing it up. What they don't know is how essential it is, especially when you are publishing on Amazon. Let's face it, most people these days don't read the book from start to finish. When a potential reader finds a book, they usually skim through the introduction. And it is during this time, my friend, that the reader decides if it is worth the purchase or not. Your introduction can either catch the sale or drain the potential reader's interest dry. Think of it as a first date. If they like what they read the first time around, they will be more likely to invest time and resources in reading your book. But take caution. No one should ever reveal everything during the first date. You, my dear friend, just find the perfect balance between too little and too much. The introduction sounds like a pain in already, doesn't it? Well, if you're listening to this episode, I'm guessing you are having a hard time coming up with a killer book introduction. Don't worry, I have just the solution. I'm going to share 4 steps that will make for an amazing book introduction. The first step is stating the problem. Did you know that about 8 out of 10 non-fiction readers are looking for books about solving real-world problems? This means you have to be clear and straightforward about the issues that you are trying to solve. Best case scenario here is that they could be having the same problems, and why wouldn't they read your book if you offer to provide them solutions in the end? The second step is to present your ideas for a solution. The key here is finding balance between revealing too much too soon and too little. Most authors do not realize that they are revealing the answers to the issue way too early. You can give them fruits and vegetables but not give them the entire farm, for pity's sakes, at least not yet. Remember what the Fortune 500 companies did for their workers. They only gave them benefits right after they followed companies' rules and policies. In this case, give your readers the solution after they buy your book and read it. Save those solutions for later so that they have something to look forward to. Now the third step is to present them with the benefits that your book can give, because at this point they are probably thinking about what's in it for them. Give them a clear picture of the catch. Okay, so let's think about this. If I saw a book about investing in the stock market, I'm pretty sure a good catch they can use in the introduction would be success in stock investments or something similar to that, right? After knowing and wanting the benefits, they will be looking for credibility at this point. Show them what makes you an expert in this field. You won't listen to someone's advice if you don't know who they really are, right? So give them reasons to listen to you, to take your advice. Introduce yourself in a way that makes you a go-to expert in your field. Your knowledge, experience, or research-based output should always back you up on your statement. After you have convinced them of all the benefits and your credibility, the next question they will ask themselves is, okay, what now? That's where your call to action comes in. What's in this case is to read more of your book. It should convey an intriguing promise paired with a sense of urgency. Now, why did I give Amazon a special mention in this video? It's because they have this feature called Look Inside. It's where people can check out the first few pages of book. Basically, you as an author have more than one page to prove your book is worth buying on Amazon. About 9% who click this feature are more likely interested in buying your book. So if you have a terrible introduction, your book will fail on that 1%. Don't let it fall on that 1%. There you have it, folks. There are many ways to write a killer book introduction, but these are steps that I follow. This is also the method I recommend to my clients. That's it for today, everyone. Go write that killer introduction. Don't forget, if you like this episode, please give it a thumbs up. It would really support my channel. And be sure to follow us to listen to more top-level tips and strategies for your books in business. Now, before you go, I just want to quickly say that you should check out the Bestseller Blueprint. It's a comprehensive guide to creating your best-selling book from scratch. It comes with a detailed checklist that I use to help hundreds of clients become best-selling authors. You can now download your copy free of charge. Just head over to bestsellingbook.com/checklist. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.